What if I told you there are free AI tools that can help you study faster, save hours of work, and make school easier? Most students still don't know these tools exist. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools every student should start using right now. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you explain difficult topics, summarize notes, generate assignment ideas, practice interview questions, and even write emails and CVs. For example, if you don't understand a topic in class, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple terms. But remember, don't copy everything blindly. Use AI as a learning assistant. Next is Canva AI. Canva helps you create presentations, posters, CVs, YouTube thumbnails, and social media designs, even if you have zero design experience. This is one of the easiest tools beginners can start using today. If you're enjoying this video so far, subscribe to In Tech Room for more simple tech and AI tutorials every week. Third is Grammarly. Grammarly helps improve your spelling, grammar, and sentence structure. It's especially useful for assignments, emails, CV writing, and professional communication. Number 4 is Notion AI. This tool helps you organize your notes, tasks, study plans, projects, and daily schedules. If you struggle with productivity or staying organized, this tool can really help. And finally, Google Gemini. Gemini can help with research, brainstorming ideas, writing assistance, quick explanations, and learning new topics. It's another powerful AI assistant students should explore. Those are 5 free AI tools every student should know in 2026. Which one would you actually use first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos on AI, tech tips, and digital skills, make sure you subscribe to In Tech Room. Your next useful tech skill could be one video away. Thanks for watching.